In today's video, I challenge you to challenge me. My name is Charlotte Allen and you have reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. Now I had this idea, kind of an epiphany I guess, maybe epiphany is a bit too much of a strong word, but I had an idea about trying to get you guys more involved in the videos that I make in terms of the needle felting and everything else. Now, I have just come back from a double 7th birthday party where there was a lot of hyperactivity, so I may not be thinking as clearly as I could be, and we acquired some very interesting balloons at the party as well. But I had this idea and I thought, what if I get you guys to kind of set me a challenge, if you like. We have this program in the UK called Money for Nothing. I'm not sure if it's out in other countries. I don't know if they've kind of franchised it out or not. But effectively, it's one person, the presenter goes to recycling centres and then they approach people that are about to throw out kind of old bits and pieces that they don't want anymore. So things like, I don't know, wooden chests or drawers or chairs or all kinds of things really. It doesn't really matter. And then they say to the person, okay, I'm going to take this from you and I'm going to turn it into something else and then I'm going to make you some money from it. And they're usually like, oh, okay, that's great, because I was just going to throw it away. Then what they do is they take these items that they've kind of salvaged and they give them to makers, specialist makers all over the UK. So you might have someone that's really good in, say, woodwork, someone that's really good in metalwork, or someone whose expertise lie in, I don't know, textiles or something like that. So all kinds of stuff. So these people, they take the item, whatever it may be, and then they upcycle it and turn it into something amazing. So one guy who specialises in electronics turns a lot of stuff into robots and things like that. So you kind of get the idea, the premise of the programme. So what I thought is they don't have anybody that needle felts on this program. So then I thought maybe we could kind of fill in the gap with the channel with the needle felting and incorporate that. So this, if you like, is kind of like my audition reel for Money for Nothing, but also hopefully inspires you guys to create more things with vintage items and bits and pieces that you have hanging around the house that you can upcycle and incorporate your needle felting into and hopefully make some additional money. If we can make a bit of money from things we've already got in the house, you know, and through our skills, I think that's great, especially at the moment with how things are, especially in the UK. It's not great at the moment. So what we're going to do is I've got 3 things here that I salvaged from my box a few weeks ago and I've just randomly taken them out. I haven't really thought about what I'm going to do with them. So I'm going to show you those 3 things and I want you guys to tell me which of those 3 things you want me to upcycle and turn into something saleable, and then I'm going to go and see if I can sell it super quick and try and make some money out of it, sort of, you know, try and really increase the value of the item by incorporating my needle felting into it. So I'm going to show you the items and I want you to tell me in the comments which of these items you would like me to upcycle. So here goes. The first thing I took out was this Ludo game. So I think it's from the 1960s, 1970s, something like that. But it's really retro looking and it's got all the old original pieces inside and even the little instruction manual, which I think is really sweet. So that's the first option. Item 2 is this old tobacco tin. Again, I showed this the other week, but I really like this. It's got loads of character to it. It's a bit rusty. It's got the original branding on the front of it, Golden Virginia, and then inside it's just empty. So there's loads of potential for this, but it's a really simple item that we could definitely upcycle. So that's item 2. And finally, item 3 are these 2 blocks of wood. And these have just been sawn off a table, I think. So nothing special. I haven't sanded them. I haven't done anything with them at all. I like this one because it's got quite a nice patina on it. It's kind of got that kind of aged look to the surface of the wood. So there's definitely lots of potential for these to have a new lease of life as well. So please let me know in the comments below if you want me to go for option 1, the Ludo game, option 2, the tobacco tin, or option 3, the planks of wood. So I will see you tomorrow for more needle felting hints and tips and hopefully a bit of upcycling as well. So take care, have a wonderful day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.